What if I told you it was easy to get started investing, and you can start with as little as $1?
What a time to be alive.
In today's video, I will show you how easy it is to set up a Wealthsimple account. Stay tuned. What is Wealthsimple? They are a Canadian online investment management service, also described as a robo-advisor.
Meet more Z.
They choose a diversified mix of low-fee ETFs depending on your situation, aka passive investing. All you need to do is fund your account and they'll manage your portfolio for you. With that being said, let's get into the video. First of all, before you get started, make sure you use a referral link so you will get $10,000 managed for free for 12 months. As you can see, I got my referral link from Bridget Casey from Money After Graduation. If you're interested in a review on Wealthsimple, I have a link to Bridget's video in the description below. Also, you can find her referral link there. Once you click the referral link, it will take you to this screen. Now just click Get Started. Put in your email address and create a password. Step 1 of 4, your personal info, employment info, residential and mailing address. Enter your first name, enter your last name, date of birth, your phone number, your citizenship, your gender, your residential address, mailing address, your employment, company name if employed, what kind of company, your role at the company, and your social security number. Assumptions about you, agree or disagree. Step 2 of 4, your personal portfolio, your investment goals and timeline, your income and savings, your assets and debts, continue. Put in your age, even though I already told them my birthday. Why are you investing? Making a big purchase, retirement, children's education, building an egg nest for the future, other. When do you plan to retire? When I'm 45. When do you think you'll need to spend some of your nest egg? When I'm 40. Do you have any previous experience investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other securities? 1 to 5 years. Next. Which type of investments have you purchased in the past? All of the above. If you decided to invest on your own and build a diversified portfolio, how would you think you'd do it? I would invest in many different stocks. What do you think your income will be this year?
$1 million.
Where will your income come from? How much are you comfortable saving per month? A general rule is 20% of your monthly income. Do you currently have savings or investments? What's the value of property or other assets you own? This is your home, other properties, cars, jewelry, precious metals, or other valuables. What about debts? Value of your mortgage, student loans, lines of credit, amount owed on a car, or credit cards. If you were to invest $35,000, which scenario would you be happiest with? This question will determine your risk tolerance. The higher the tolerance, the more you'll have in equities. The lower the tolerance, the more you have in fixed incomes like bonds. Here is my personalized plan. My portfolio is unhedged growth. Based on your goals and investment preferences, we recommend starting with a higher risk portfolio to achieve the highest return over the long term. You can always make changes later. At this point, you can make your portfolio socially responsible if you wish. So this is the asset mix Wealthsimple chose for me. 80% equities, 20% fixed income. Then Wealthsimple will send you an email to confirm your email. Once you confirm, you can move on to step 3 of 4, funding your account. You can transfer an investment account from another institution. If the transfer is over $5,000, Wealthsimple will cover the transfer fee. Wealthsimple doesn't charge a fee. The institution you're transferring from will. It's usually around $45 to $50. If you don't want to transfer an account, then click at the bottom where it says I'll start with a fresh account for now. If you're interested, Wealthsimple offers a savings account with 2% interest rate, but I recommend going with Modus Bank if you are looking for a savings account. Click the video link at the top to learn more about Modus Bank. So the account I'm going to open is a TFSA, tax-free savings account. I recommend maxing out your TFSA first before using a regular investing account. And depending on your situation, you might want to have a RRSP account for investing towards retirement. Once you choose an account, read and click the agreement. Now step 4 of 4, link your bank account, create a one-time deposit, create a recurring deposit. So you need to select a bank or financial institution authorized with your bank. Now select the amount you want to deposit. I'm depositing $500 for now. Thanks, we received your requests. We'll start transferring your deposit in 1 to 2 days and invest it shortly after. Then you can set up auto deposit, overflow, or roundup. I chose to get $25 auto deposited into my account, so now I can set and forget it. It's that easy. Now you are a passive investor. Now just sit back and enjoy the ride. Download the app if you haven't already so you can track your earnings and activity. Also, you can manage your auto deposits and your contributions. Like I already mentioned, if you're looking for a review on Wealthsimple, go to my video description down below, where you can also find a referral link. If you like this video, hit that like button and share this with a friend. If you want to lower your expenses and increase your income to ultimately achieve financial freedom, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. I make new videos on personal finance every week. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace.